Good morning. Welcome to Van Meter Elementary. It's Friday, so that means it's Friday Cooperative Day. Today we have a Friday cooperative activity called Supporting Our Superheroes. In our gym we have 4 Marvel superheroes. Many would call them parts of the Avengers. So we have them in our gym, but unfortunately we have 4 of their arch nemesis in our gym also. Okay, so we're going to start off over here. We have Captain America. Plus we have Red Skull back there in the background. Red Skull is being protected by his force field. Captain America utilizes his shield to try to battle his enemies. So our students are using our frisbees to try and knock the tennis balls off of the tops of the cones to try to disable Red Skull's force field. K2 are standing behind the free throw line, the blue line, and then 3 through 5 are standing behind the white line, trying to knock down all of the tennis balls off of the cones. Over here we have Hulk. Okay, Hulk obviously utilizes his immense strength in different situations. His arch nemesis, Abomination, who's up there in the corner, has knocked over a building, unfortunately, which is represented by our mats under there. So Hulk needs to help resurrect the building, pick the pieces up, and build the building again. So our students are picking up those 8 pieces, carrying them across the gym, putting them over here on this side or the opposite side of the gym. Then they are following a map, trying to put the pieces back together. So our K2 is using 6 mats. We have a bottom level and a top level, and our 3 through 5 is utilizing 8 mats. So we have a bottom level and a top level where the students have to work together, read the map, and build the building again. Our third station over here, our third Avenger, is our Thor station. Okay, Thor's stepbrother, I believe Loki, sometimes sends ice giants to try to take over the world. So there's Loki and there's his army of ice giants. Thor, being from Asgard, utilizes Mjolnir, which is his mighty hammer, to try to battle his opponents. So we have yarn balls here which represent our hammer. Students are throwing them at the ice giants overhand, trying to knock them over and thus knock them out as they advance towards Thor and trying to take over the world. K2 are at the blue line, 3-5 are at the 3-5 are at the white line. Also, the number of ice giants also changes depending on the level of students. The younger kids have less ice giants to try to knock down, and the older kids have more ice giants to knock down. Our fourth Avenger, Iron Man, who likes to fly and take out his opponents. His arch nemesis, Thanos, is over here in the corner, and Thanos has unfortunately collected all 6 of the Infinity Stones. All right, if you're familiar with Thanos at all and the Infinity Stones, that is not good. That means Thanos can take over the entire universe, and he's a really tough guy to try to battle. So our students need to fly like Iron Man. They go on their stomachs on a scooter, and they travel along the length of the gym, staying to the right of these cones. Once they reach the black crate, they take out a mini rubber volleyball, and they bowl underhand, trying to knock down one of the Infinity Stones out of Thanos' collection. Depending on the level of the students, we change the number of pins to knock down. Also, we change the distance in which the kids do to bowl. So like the K2, we're going to just do the 6 Infinity Stones and have a closer distance to bowl. Older kids have more pins beyond the 6 and have a greater distance to bowl. Once they bowl, they go and collect their object or their bowling ball, put it back into the mini volleyball, put it back into the black crate, pick up their scooter, run back in between the red and the blue line, go around the red cone, go back and lay on their stomach, and fly again, utilizing their arms back over here and try to knock out all of Thanos' Infinity Stones. So we have quite the battle for Earth and the universe going on today with our Avengers. The students are enjoying supporting our superheroes. As always, thanks for watching. Feel free to comment or like or subscribe. More videos in the future. Again, thanks for watching. Have a great day. It's Captain America station where they're trying to throw the frisbees at the force field. Got many of them down thus far. We're in Captain America's shield. These are our older kids. This is the 5th grade, so we're behind the white line.
Here, boy, go down.
Alright, this station is Hulk Station. Abomination has wrecked a building. And now we have to work together to get the pieces down to the other side and go ahead and follow a map and build the building again. So we have 8 sections of a building where students have to help carry using their strength like Hulk and help rebuild the building that Abomination has demolished. Alright, there he is watching overhand. He's pretty proud of his work for breaking the building. As you can see, Hulk is pretty mad with what Abomination has done, and these students are working hard to help rebuild the building. This is Thor's station. Loki has sent some ice giants to take over the planet, so we're using Mjolnir, which are the yarn balls today, to knock down the ice giants. K2 is behind the free throw line, and 3 through 5th is behind the white line, trying to knock down all the ice giants in 2 minutes and 10 seconds. This is an Iron Man station. Thanos has captured all the Infinity Stones, so they're flying down, finding a mini rubber ball, rolling it underhand like bowling, trying to knock out one of the Infinity Stones, which are on our black mini pins that Thanos has stolen or collected. As we know, once Thanos collects those 6 Infinity Stones, he's going to take over the universe. So Iron Man wants to stop that from happening. So this is our Iron Man station. Once they roll the ball, they need to grab their ball, put it back in the crate, run back with their scooter, go around the Iron Man picture, and then they fly back again.